Is your phone heating up while gaming or charging? It's not just annoying, it can damage your battery. Let's fix it fast. Why it happens. Background apps. High screen brightness. Charging while using. Poor ventilation, soft surfaces. Bad phone case. Malware or bugs. 5 quick fixes. Close unused apps. Swipe away apps and clear RAM. Lower brightness plus enable dark mode. Don't use while charging. Remove phone case temporarily. Cool the environment. Bonus, advanced fixes. Use built-in battery usage tools to find hot apps. Turn off background sync for heavy apps. What not to do. Don't put your phone in the fridge, condensation can kill it. Don't use sketchy cooling apps with ads and permissions. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and comment which trick worked best. I read every reply.